Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Athabasca University account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Athabasca University account, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Athabasca University login. Searching for Athabasca University login, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this option which says My AU Athabasca University. And then in the right side of your screen you can find this option which says login. So just tap on login, and after tapping on login you have to enter your student ID or staff username and then enter your password. So after entering your details, just tap on secure login, and after tapping on secure login you will log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset or recover your password by tapping on reset your password. So just create a new password, and after creating a new password come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created. After doing that, just tap on login, and after tapping on login you will successfully log into your Athabasca University. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Athabasca University. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.